Going on, everyone? Thanks for checking out the free mortgage payment calculator guide. Now, again, I could give you some crazy spreadsheets that you could do in Excel, but honestly, this is the best online platform I found. Tons of different customization tools you can use and get a great idea of what you're actually looking for. So, very simple. Just log on to Google, type in Rate Hub Mortgage Payment Calculator. You can just go straight from the website, but if you type in the Rate Hub calculator or use that link directly from my link tree, it'll send you right here. So very easily, the first thing you got to do, just start with the price. So whether it's an offer you have on the table or whether it's just a purchase price you have in mind, put something in there and you can start seeing and playing around with the mortgage calculator. So let's do an average price. Let's do 800. So 80, that would be nice. 800,000, and we're in Oshawa because Durham Region is the best. Now, as you can see, it's changed right here. You can't actually go 5% down because you're over 500,000. See if you go back to 500 here, you can see 5% down as an option. But as soon as you go over 500,000, so let's say 550, you can see the down payment changes. So it's 5% on the first 500,000 and then 10% on the remaining up to a million. After a million, you're paying that 20%. So let's just do 800 again back for our example here. So the lowest we can come into this is 6.9, which would give you a down payment of 55. And then as you can see, it correlates all the way up to 20% down. You can see what your down payment looks like. You can see the CMHC payments, what that amount would be as well. And hey, if you don't know what something is, you can always click the question mark and it'll actually show you what's going on here. And if you go over here, you can learn about CMHC as well. So again, great tool and I really like it. So this tells you what your actual mortgage balance will be. And then here's the fun part. You can play around with the amortization and your rates here. So obviously, if you're going to do the low down payment option, you don't actually have a 30-year option. See, when I click it, it gives me that little error code and puts me back to 25. But if I'm over here at 20, I can definitely amortize that over 30 years. And my interest will probably go up a little bit. But again, you can customize that as well. You can play with the payment frequency from weekly, accelerated, bi-weekly. I like to keep it on a monthly payment there. And again, if you'd like to discuss the benefits and drawbacks for each of the other ones, I'd love to have a conversation on you there. And easily just spits out your mortgage payment, and it's nice and easy to kind of get started there. But the thing I really like about this is you can customize. So if you're looking at an owner occupied, you want a fixed rate, you can go variable rate. If you want a 5 year, 3 year, 1 year, there's so many customized options here, and you can actually play with the rate. So, these are some of the rates that are actually going on in real time. And by the way, this website updates real time. But if you have a custom rate, so let's say you've got a mortgage approval already, and you know your rate's going to be 5.5, you can just type that right in there, select that, and it's going to update everything on that 5.5 there. So it's a really great tool, and it allows you to capture what's going on in the market today and give you real time data. It also gives you a couple extra features, all the cash needed to close. It does make some assumptions here that you can review. Again, not many people are getting lawyer fees for 1,500 there, but this is a really good idea to prepare if you're going to buy a house. So this is my favorite mortgage payment calculator, especially for Canada and especially for the Durham region. So yes, please play around, get to know this. If you have any questions, please contact me. That's Isaiah Henry, 905-928-4275. I would love to help you out. We got a team of excellent mortgage brokers that we can connect you with to make sure that you're getting the best loan and terms possible when you get into your new house or if you're refinancing. So don't be afraid to reach out to us, DM, text, call. I'm always available. Thanks, guys. Take care.